Happy Monday.
We're going to the mall.
We are going to the mall, guys. Dahil nagpapasama aking mother-in-law kasi bibili siya ng gift and again sa mga kids kasi hindi pa siya tapos nung nagpunta tayo sa Sam's. So, pupunta tayo sa mall and bibili siya doon ng gift ng mga kids. And sasamahan natin siya. And umuulan. Grabe yung ulan. Kaya nakakaloka. But yeah. So, and meron din kasi akong kailangan bilihin para sa mga regalo, para sa regalo ng mga bata na kailangan ko pang gawin. So, hindi ako nag-vlog yesterday. So, we skip one dahil Sunday. Hindi ako nag-vlog ng Sunday.
I have a lot of pictures.
You got a lot of pictures?
I'll show you.
Oh, it's okay.
I can't show you now.
No, you can show me later. Okay? Because I think Momo's outside already waiting for us.
Please.
Okay, show it to me now. Where is it? Okay, Momo message. Come on, let's go. No, we're gonna go in Momo's car. It's raining. Lock lang natin yung car. Hindi niya alam na naglalakad na tayo. Ayan, sumahan natin si Madam. This way, sister, this way, because it's muddy. Okay. Silly girl. You like that?
Yeah.
Can you walk okay with it?
Walk down here to Mama.
Go walk to Mama. Ayan ang regalo ng kanyang lola sa kanya, guys. Boots. Run. I think we're good for her. Okay. You like that?
Yeah.
You like that? Give me a thumbs up. Give Mama a thumbs up. Wow.
I like this.
You like it? Me too. I want one too.
So don't worry, Mommy.
Okay. Momo's buying more jam for Troy.
Too, don't we, baby? Yes.
Troy's newest favorite now.
Yes.
The jam.
Ooh,
Yeah.
I don't want that one. It's messed up.
Oh yeah. Good. What you eating, girl?
Popcorn.
Can I have some?
Mm.
Girl, I can't give a lot.
This is mine.
Oh, I'm sorry. It would be mine if I take it. You get another one?
This is blackberry, just black.
Oh, okay.
And oh my gosh.
What? Dito na kami sa mall, guys. May mga tao ngayon dito dahil mall. Dahil magi-Christmas. Yes, we're turning this way. Magi-Christmas dahil kaya madaming tao. Huy, this way. Buy 3 get 1 free. We're gonna go to Hobby Lobby. Come on.
Okay.
This way. This way. Ay, bagal. Kumakain ng popcorn. Yeah. I think Santa is here too. Sissy? Yeah. Ayan, dito na kami sa... Oh! sa Hobby Lobby, guys. So we gotta go to my Cricut stuff. Let's go this way. Alright.
Mine, tell them what I'm eating.
What are you eating? You tell them what you're eating.
Popcorn.
Popcorn, popcorn. Okay, so this is what we need is red. Ito niya naman ang price, $4.99.
And you need pink as well.
This is only one roll. Pero para siyang mayroong shimmer eh. May shimmer siya. What?
Do you need pink as well?
Yes, but I don't see any pink. Oh, there is. Pink. There's a pink one. Then we need a blue.
There's even black.
Yeah. I have no, those are what?
Look, rainbow.
Yeah. So sabihin ko na lang sa inyo guys mamaya yung mga ayan pala nakalagay shimmer. So hindi natin kailangan ng shimmer. Hanap tayo ng red na hindi shimmer. Dito tayo sa cheaper one. Kasi kung doon tayo kukuha ang mahal. Let me see. Matte permanent vinyl. Ito rin siya. Ito naman $5.49 naman siya. Dito na lang tayo kasi may red siya eh. Oh. This is red, right? Ayan, red, bright. So kailangan natin red. And then we need blue. Isang roll lang to guys. Oh my gosh, pag ako nagkamali, patay tayo. Ayan. And then we need pink and white.
My favorite color.
Ayaw ko sa'yo. This is pink. What's the difference on this one? Matte finish. Kasi kailangan natin ang permanent vinyls eh. Okay. And then I need black. Oh my gosh. Natin kung black. Huh?
You have a lot of colors.
Yeah, you tell me. And then, did I get white? Yeah, same price lang ng white ito at saka yung nandoon. So, yeah. So, dito ako kumukuha ng mga stuff ko guys na mga gagawin ko. So, ayan. So, maghahanap naman ako ng pang ano, yung like a sticker. A sticker paper naman yung hanapin natin. So, ito yung kailangan natin guys. Printable clear sticker sheet. Ayan. Meron na tayo nitong ano, itong printable ano, tag na to. Printable sticker sheet. Meron na tayo yan. Binili ni Daddy sa Walmart. So, ayan. Ano pa bang kulang ko?
Mommy, only put your phone down.
Why?
Because I want to walk by myself.
No. You want to walk by yourself?
Yeah.
Oh.
Please, can I?
Do you really want pink or you wanted just this kind of pink? This baby pink.
Yes, I'll take that baby pink. Can I hold that baby
This cause the other one is the brighter one. This one is super bright pink.
Well, I like this one.
You like that
matches
one?
My shirt also.
It matches your shirt
It
also.
makes pink makes green. Pink makes green.
Sure. Gusto ko sanang mag-ano eh. Itong glittery na vinyl. Kasi may nakita ako sa reels na pwede siyang lagyan ng princess ano.
I don't want to have my.
Just put it right there. Kaso nga lang 6 ano siya.
Mommy, I want to put my popcorn here.
I think I'm gonna get this
I
one.
can't reach the bottom with it.
Okay, just put it down.
Thanks, Mom.
You're welcome. Yeah.
Now I can hold it.
Dito kami sa Walmart, guys. Kaganina pa. Ayan, bumili lang ako ng regalo for daddy. What? Ito naman, kaganina pa to. Sasapakin ko na to. Dito na kami sa bus stop, guys. So, ang tag na to. Yeah, kararating-rating lang namin actually. Kaya, nagmamadali talaga kami umuwi. So, tomorrow, guys, merong competition si Kuya Chad sa kanyang robotics. So that's gonna be like 3 hours of competition. Starts ng 4 o'clock to 8. Tama ba? 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 hours pala. May hilurad. Akala ko 3 hours lang. So yeah. Sissy, your shoes is wet! I can feel it in my pants. Do. Hello. Look, say hi.
Hi. Mommy,
I'm so tired. Tapos ngayon, we're gonna pick up Kuya Chad sa school kasi meron siyang practice today. Huh?
I like saying with you.
Okay, just right there. So meron siyang practice today, so we're gonna go pick him up sa school.
Put your chair back.
Huh?
I need to put your chair all the way back. Thanks.
Tignan niyo yung face ko, guys. So, nagda-dry yung face ko. I have no idea what's happening to my face.
Can you get your jacket off?
Yeah.
I don't want to get off. Get it off.
Ah!
Got it.
Shit! Naantok talaga ako. There's the bus! She's just listening to pate, 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 aha. Pinatay ko, tapos nga nagalit siya. Guys, dito na kami sa school. Ayan si Troy tsaka si Natalia. Oh. Ala, sige kahit malamig. Sige. Si Caleb kasama niya yung kaklase niya. So, ito na yung last day, last na ni Kuya Chad, practice, and then tomorrow competition. So, ito na lang yung last na for this year. And then next month na naman. Ayoko. Makain lang ako dito habang naglalaro sila doon. Kasi ako, I'm so hungry. I'm eating cracklings. Di, takbo! Ayan sila. Takbo. Si Troy. May duwende. Natalia nagsaslide. Go. Takbo. Hi guys. So I am doing a Christmas card. So everything is ready na. Of course, I'm not gonna show you guys the address. So ito ang ating Christmas card for 2024. Medyo it's just sad kasi they cut daddy's half of his forehead. And then like this right here with Troy. It's just sad. I paid $38 for this, so I'm not gonna redo it or whatever. Kaya we're just gonna stick to this. So we wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Actually, Merry Christmas lang siya before, and then I added Happy New Year. O, diba? Then our name. So, yeah, this is our picture 2024 Christmas card. Hi guys. So it is 12 na ata. I don't know. But, katatapos ko lang gawin ang ating Elf on the Shelf. So, this is day 17. Or, yeah, night 17. I don't know anymore. So, yeah. So, ito pakita ko sa inyo. Sobrang easy lang ng ginawa ko kasi ako yung antok na. So, and, matatawa mga bata dito. So, ayan. It says, what happened when an egg hears a joke? It cracks up, buddy. So, nakrack nga yung egg. Tago natin tong marker. Baka makitang ebidensya. Sabihin, sino nagsulat niyan? Ito po. Kitang ebidensya. So, ayan. Yan ang ating day 17. So, sobrang, ako guys, sobrang hirap na ako. I just wanted to do like, sobrang simple lang. Ayoko yung ginagawa ng iba na talagang todo effort talaga na talagang gusto ko yung simple lang na ma-enjoy ng mga bata na hindi yung sobra-sobra naman yun. Diba? Yeah, baba pa more. But anyways, I am gonna say goodnight na guys. Dahil late na naman. Aalis tayo tomorrow dahil bibili tayo ng mga gift sa teacher, treat bag para sa classmate ng mga kids. Si Troy may natanggap na siya kaganina. Simple lang siya pero may natanggap na siyang gift bag. So, syempre hindi naman tayo magpapatalo, diba? Kasi nung Halloween nagbigay tayo tapos Christmas hindi tayo magbibigay, diba? So, ayan, magdi-DIY tayo tomorrow. So, hopefully maano natin yung DIY na gusto kong gawin. So, ayun lang. So, thank you guys so much for watching and sana nag-enjoy kayo. And yung mga Christmas card, drop up na yan ni Daddy sa post office bukas para ma-send out na. And sobrang late na talaga ako dito sa Christmas card na to, as in. So, anyways, good night guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. And sana hindi kayo magsawa sa panonood sa vlog namin. And yeah, I am actually trying my best talaga na mag-vlog every day. Ang edit lang talaga yung pinakamahirap. So, yeah, yun lang yung pinaka-stressful for me is yung editing. But I'm trying my best. Alam ko behind na ako sa ating vlogmas. So yeah, but good night guys. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow.